Before I tell you the story of season 3, I have to tell you that it is very different from the way I thought it would be. A lot changed. A lot of my planning went out the window. Planning that I've spent a year on. But I had a trip. I did have a trip. So come along with me and I will show all of it to you. The good, the bad, the ugly. Mama's in the shop. She's going to be here for a few days, probably Thursday.
Which way are you going?
To Young and Egg. It's okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I'm going to go into the store in any case for a few minutes.
Oh.
So as you can see, there's still snow on the ground here. And here she is. Cycle World. And yeah, today is Saturday. Mark, the manager, said that she'll be done by Thursday. So, all right, Mama, see you in a few days. Yeah, it's not bad out today at all. I mean, there's no wind. It's 0 degrees, but it's sunny, as you can see. So, yeah, that's perfect. Let's go have a look at some boots and stuff. Okay. Some months ahead, I started putting things together, planning for the filming, thinking of what gear I needed, and it was a long process. You and you are the same. You and you are the same. You and you are the same. Soon the day came when I had to ride the welcome mother over to a warehouse in Mississauga, where she was crated up and ready for shipping across to Italy. I was able to keep track of where she was through various marine websites, and on the 17th of April I knew that she was by Portugal. We should leave at 6, right?
To get there for 7?
No. Clothes are just those 2 bags there. That's it. Everything else is
Here. Oh, this is the neck
neck cooler if you keep it right to you. It's coming very handy on some days.
Yeah.
Oh, good. See, everything, the other problem is everything I have to have spares. So there's 2 of everything in there. Okay, we're at the airport. Everything went smoothly. Check-in was fine. because I had the guy who wrapped the luggage, my backpack, the big backpack, he left the handle sticking out. So now the luggage has gone into oversized. I don't know what that'll mean in terms of getting out of, in terms of retrieving the luggage in London, but we'll see. We should be all right. So now it's 8 o'clock, another hour and 55 minutes to go until we take off. So yeah, all good so far. It was wonderful to have Keiko, help me get ready this afternoon, and off we go. Train. Termini, please. Yeah. Can I still make it? I have enough time? Okay. Termini 1653. Okay, that was mildly chaotic, but okay. Train is very, very narrow, so it's hard to maneuver in here. So unfortunately, I have the bag sitting on a seat, and that's not cool, but there's no place to put it. So, okay. That's it. Talk to you in a bit. I reached Termini, the main train station in Rome, around 4 in the afternoon. It was crowded, it was loud, it was really, really hot. I dragged my very unsteady backpack on wheels over the cobblestones and the uneven sidewalk to the Airbnb. The moment I got in there, a calm settled over me. I was reminded of buildings in India for some reason. I knew I was in for a tough few days already, but for now, I was at peace. As soon as I settled into the room, I had a quick shower, a change of clothes, and I walked over by the Colosseum to meet my friends Alison and Sala. I knew Alison from Toronto about 15 years ago. It was so wonderful to see her and meet her new husband Sala. They took me for a walk and dinner.
Check that out, folks. Best damn pizza I've ever had.
I can't believe it. I'm in Rome. I'm in Rome. Wow.